Triangle over. Mumbai Indians need 17 to get there. He's coming around the wicket in order. Triangle over. Him David on strike. Strike down the ground. Here comes for 6. They needed a 6. They pulled up that first ball. Comes again. And he goes again. 6 more. Slides on the faces of the Mumbai Indian supporters. Well, could it be 3 on the trot? They need just 5. Bang! It's 3 on the trot. They needed a 6. They pulled up that first ball. Comes again. And he goes again. 6 more. Slides on the faces of the Mumbai Indian supporters. Well, could it be 3 on the trot? They need just 5. Bang! It's 3 on the trot. It's all over. It's history created. It's the game of the IPL. And it's the Mumbai Indians who pulled it off. Unbelievable scenes here. 57,000 people had to walk it in. Goes from the deck. And you have a thrilling finish.
Dan Christian, the man with the responsibility. And that's what he's done. Straight to the die, it's 4. This is a big delivery. 3 balls left. 11 to win. Full toss, over backward point, all the way. Has it gone? Yes, it has. It's gone for 6. That's a poor ball. That's a really poor ball at this stage. Rohit Sharma, he's 67 not out. Here comes Christian. It's gone for 6 over long on. Sharma's the hero. Mumbai Indians win. What an innings. What a finish. What a fantastic game of cricket for the IPL 2012.
18 from 6 equation.
Oh, he's fallen over as he's played it. And he's hit for 6. What's that? Look at, he's on the deck. Flat on the deck. Well, both bowler and batsmen are flat on the deck. Plenty of effort there from Stokes. There's plenty of effort from Jadeja. And Jadeja comes out the winner, the victor. Stokes hits the Yorker in. The perfect delivery. Well, Stokes has got the big oaks. And it's Dhoni has to go. That's a ride. You've got to look at that sort of drama. And 2 for a super over. Let's not forget. He smashed it. He smashed it in the pass. On the final ball, CSK. Can you believe it? They've done it. They have gone home. And that is heartbreak for the home team. 19 required. That is a good delivery. Now, and brilliant from John Bennett as well. Excellent and high Onions. Give it to David Miller right now. Brilliant bowling and wonderful composure from Johnny Bairstow. So ball 4. Oh no, far up. Jawadia, has he got in his bag again? He's the best of 2 required. Oh, yes, sir. You bet your own, Jawadia. Go get him, boys. He has done it, he knows he's done it. It's saved his team, and they have now got 3 from 3. Heartbreak for the Punjab Kings. He's got a smile now. It wasn't 2, 3, 4 balls ago. Brilliance from Jawadia. 162 for 4. There, we've got 6 deliveries with 21 required. Najis Nira has been given the responsibility. 21 required. Pressure's on Nira. Again, not managing to break that field. Nira getting a full and wide. Oh, he's gone for the scoop or the lap or the dual scoop. You've got what you like. It's 4. Oh, is it going to be 6? Has he got enough of it? Has he got enough of it? Yes. It's 6. It's gone for the reverse left. It's 6 more. 3 required off the last ball. He climbed down the ground. Has he got enough? He's got too much. He's gone for 6. It's gone for 6. Tawari has come to the party day. They win by 6 wickets. And we've counted the last ball. Oh, we've seen it all here today. 6. Now the Murtaza from Bangladesh to bowl the last. Here, are we in for a clipping? Here goes Murtaza. And Shami gets a full one. And he puts it away, does he? You picture, that's 4. This will hit a piece. Line or over. Here we go. Oh, technical. He charged it. This has disappeared for the once. The ball. Because he's right, there is class. Talk about pressure and releasing the bell. Block for cover the ball. Oh, no, the bits up. And guess what? It disappears into the glass. Oh, look at Shannon taking the high fives all out. They're up down the pitch on the deck of Shannon.
Quality 21 to defend here. First ball 4. Oh, he's got a glove on it. Has he got 4 for it? Yes, he has. Ace off the first 2. He's drilled it to extra cover. It's 4 more. He's gone 4. 9 required from 3 balls. He's nicked it for 4. Now they need 4 off the last ball to win. 3 in a tie will create a super over. Now 4 off 1 ball. Here's the delivery. He's hit it out of the ground for 6. The Mumbai Indians have come from nowhere to win this game. What will that do to their confidence going forward? And what has it done to the Kolkata Knight Riders?
Michael Youngson with 22 to defend, not the final over or try. Tawatia stands at the other end at the moment. He's been there before, he's done it before. That's 1. Now Tawatia takes the length and just dumped it over the ropes. That's trying to look for the line. Rashid Khan keeps it alive and keeps it going. 9 to get from 3. Hit well or not? Hit well 6. Hit. Anyone can. Rashid Khan. Who's about Toppins? Slip to the tree here, but 5 wickets. And they take the gas out of the sunlight of Hyderabad. Miraculous.
23 to get off the last. Akshay Patel to ball the final one. Good start. Look at the Johnny Wolf run. Bang! Number 1. Oh, just inside. There it goes. Gone. 6 runs. Oh, there you go. He's done it. What a match. Dhoni, you're beauty. 23 of the last over. I'm not a brilliant. Super brilliant from MS Dhoni. 29 required. Slow ball. Extra cover 6. Don't see those too often. Oh, gone again. The kids are all right. Oh, it's gone again. Would you believe it? 3 and 3. Game on. But allowed it quite yet. Kicking up. What a finish this is. 6 again. Would you believe it? Extraordinary scenes here. 4 6s in a row. And now just the boundary required. 4 from 1 ball. It's 4 6s in a row. They need just 4. What a finish this has been.